this is the house. I want you to write some notes on what you find. So this is the door. Okay. And we have some windows here, the same that we did last time. Okay. Yeah, tell me.
Are we going to be able to add like a door?
Yes, definitely. Step by step, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now we're gonna go inside of the house. Okay. So if you see, we also have other windows. Before we do anything else, we have other windows on top, right? Bigger windows. And those windows are obviously they're not inside, they're outside, but they are different than the first windows, right? Okay, so you also have to write that down so we can do it. And if you want to add that these are in the back wall. So we have the front wall, so we have 4 walls, right? In the front wall, we have 2 windows. In the back wall, we also have 2 windows, okay? But they are, look how many tiles do we have? How many glasses do we have?
In each?
Each we have 8.